Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the oat soup. Even though there are endless ways to judge up your morning oatmeal, I find a way to fulfill my healthy breakfast using oat. And it's oat soup. Here is chicken, egg and Thai flavor as well. Okay, let me show you what I am doing here. So the ingredients I am going to use: chicken breast. I am going to cut it into small pieces. Half cup oat, spring onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 1 chicken stock. I can show you how it looked like. I'm not gonna waste time in making fresh chicken stock. I'm directly using this cube. It's a little bit salty. This is why I'm actually not going to add too much salt. I will directly put it in the water. And another thing that will increase the flavor is Thai grass. Thai grass actually not so available in the store, so the link for Thai grass is given in my description box. And the sauce I'm going to use is tomato ketchup, sweet and sour Thai chili sauce, and the soy sauce. Salt, very little, black pepper. The other thing is egg. Another thing I'm going to use, it's secret ingredients, and I will show you this at the end. Now I'm going to cut the chicken and the garlic and spring onion. So the ingredients are ready. Very thin sliced chicken. So it will boil quickly. In a bowl, I am going to put the chicken directly. No oil or butter is used here. First, I am going to add chicken, garlic, and chili, chicken stock, Thai grass, then the water. For a half cup oat, I use 5 cup water. I am using medium heat here. Soy sauce, very little salt, pepper, approximately 1/4 teaspoon, just a little stirring, and I will wait until boiling starts. It's better to wait 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, chicken is done. It boiled properly. Now it's time to add oat, egg, and the rest of the sauce. But with the egg, I will mix the chili sauce. If you want, you can add these two things separately, but it's my style. I like to add sweet chili sauce with the egg first, then I add this to the soup. Before adding egg, I will add tomato ketchup and the oat, and later I will add the egg. No corn flour is needed to add in this soup. Oats are most famous for their fiber and plant-based protein content. It softens so quickly, so I will wait 2 to 5 minutes. Thai grass is already did his job, so now I will take it out. After adding egg, a quick stirring is necessary so it will mix properly. Recipe link is given in my description box. Please check. I want to check the salt. Let's see. Perfect. Now at the end I'm going to add the spring onion. Rest of the portion I will add for garnishing. Now it's time to serve and enjoy. At the end I will add rest of the spring onion and will show you my secret ingredients. And this is lemon zest. Let me show you how I am doing this. So it gives sweet, sour and a spicy taste. So my soup is ready. It's a type of healthy soup but delicious as well. Very easy to make. If you are in a hurry, then make it at night and warm it again in the morning in microwave and enjoy quick breakfast. Not only breakfast, you can eat this as a dinner meal. Even if you feel unwell, little low, this soup will give you life. So guys, now I am going to eat this. So guys, if you enjoyed my cooking, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question and comment, write them below and hit the bell button so you will get notified about my new video. Thanks for watching.